everyone, and welcome. If you are new here, my name is Emerson from Classycleanchic, and if you are not new here, welcome back. I'm so excited that you're here. So today is part 2 of my moving vlog. So I had part 1, which was like an empty apartment tour. I'll link that in the comments, empty apartment tour, and also a little bit about moving day. And then this one is gonna be all of the items coming into my apartment and sharing like little updates and things like that. So super exciting, some of my new favorite furniture and favorite items in my apartment. So that's what we're gonna be sharing today. And so if you want to make sure and join in on the fun, next week I'm gonna be sharing how like my closet and a little bit like where we are right now, how I organize for small spaces with all of my clothing. So organization is gonna be next. And then I think that we'll wrap up the moving vlog with part 4, and that will be full apartment tour once everything is in, and it might take a little while because I have a couple of things that need to be added in. But super excited, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that will notify you when I create a new YouTube. So without further ado, let's get started. So today what we're doing is we are doing this light. We're gonna put this together, so we'll show you what it looks like afterwards. It's like super heavy, so we actually got this from Target. So what I'm thinking is, you can't see my bedroom, but we're gonna do one is gonna be a big lamp, and then the other side is gonna be a small lamp and like a little table. So those will be coming in. So we're gonna put this together, we'll show that. And then that is a credenza back there. So we're gonna try to put it together with all of the social distancing. My person that was gonna come and put it together didn't come. So it's gonna be us doing it. We're super excited, it's gonna be excellent. So we will tune in back when we have it hopefully all assembled and it goes excellently. Just finished doing this lamp. I'm very excited about it. And then we're gonna put another like little activity or a side table in there. It wasn't that hard to set up. It was kind of hard. I would say recommend with 2 people, or I don't even know. I think my dad set up. But anyway, we're very excited about this. Okay, so next we're trying to do this credenza here, and it says takes 70 minutes and that you should have wine with it. So we're not gonna be doing that, but we've enlisted some help, so hopefully my friend Sarah comes over and we're gonna try to do this. So let's see how it goes. All right, so we started putting this together like 2 days ago, and then we're gonna continue today. And it was really tricky. I would like to show you this part that we're making a mistake on. We're trying to figure out, we have this like hole in here, and we're trying to get that to be fixed. So we're gonna have to retry to get today. We have more energy and we're gonna get it together. So just imagine, we'll show you an update in a little bit. And then I'm just gonna show some of the new pillows that I got for this room. So I got some new Euro shams and put these in. Some new other pillows, this soft fuzzy one, this one with a cute little thing. Anyway, so I'm just doing kind of like pink and light, and then I might do a cover or leave this with like a, I don't know, just leave it as a quilt and not have a cover. What is this? And not have like a cover over it, but I'm gonna put something here, I'm not sure what yet. And then we got that little light over there too. I don't know if you can see. And then we'll update more. I'm gonna get side tables, those are coming soon. So that's the update for right now. I wanted to give a little update on some of the progress. So we ended up being able to get this thing together, but I need to get some more tchotchkes and things to put inside here. But it's just really nice to have here and have something to put like your keys on, and then we have like a little candle, and I have this little frame as well. So I'm thinking of different ideas for this, and I actually bought a different mirror than this. We're gonna remove this, put it over there. And then I have the anthropology here that's gonna go right here. So that's coming. So we'll update that when that comes. But I really like this because it can have storage in here. Obviously I'm not using it for storage yet, and then you can also put trinkets in there. Then the other thing, this is for my, like the TV console. So we have room in here. I'm gonna end up putting all of these things inside there. But I really like this. I think, I don't know, it came all together, which was nice compared to that, which didn't come together. And then this area, you can have things that like you might need to like, use your actual like remote control for and have them out. And then I'll have these wires go in the wall. There's a hole there. So that, and then moving to the bedroom, some of the updates. So, I'll just go over here. So I got 2 of these little side tables. One is Well, they have glass top and then a mirrored bottom. Oh my gosh. And then this thing that's like dangling and gonna murder me is this really nice light, but somehow not tight. So it's like this, so it's a hazard that might die. But I think it looks really cute. And then we got some new pillows, which I think I shared already. And then that new little lamp that actually just doesn't need a light bulb. And so I put the smaller one over here. It just turns on. So that's update today. So today we got in this it's not urban, Anthropology mirror. So it's like one of those, the mirror, it's like as wide as it is long. We're gonna try to pull, I don't know if we're gonna put it up here, but we're gonna open it up today and show you what it looks like. We're very, very excited. And then you might move this one off, and then we're gonna try to put the cords away today too. We'll see how much energy we have, how it goes. So out of its case, so this is the smallest version of these. I really want one of the huge ones, but we don't have a spot for it. But how pretty is this? I'm obsessed. We're gonna maybe try to hang it. We're gonna see how difficult it's gonna be. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in to part 2 of my apartment move-in vlog. I'm so excited. I can't wait to share more next week. And yeah, until then.